Edo State Chairmo of the All Progressive Congress APC, Emperor Jared Tenebe, don't call party leaders and supporters to stop the disunity where they worry the party, say na unity go make them remain for government. As the host for the Christmas get-together winning organized for party members for in house inside the Donor Senatorial District, the Chairmo come talk say na disunity they cause the party to lose the election and come beg members to stop the wahala, stand gidigba as one and work together to make sure say the party strong well so victory go dey sure for them every time. For in talk, Emperor Tenebe come talk say as APC don't win for Edo State, nobody go fit carry them comot if them join hands together.
Well, I want to charge our party officers that yes, today we have victory for the party. We have other elections that are coming by 2027. And we also have elections, local government council elections that are coming also very soon. So, as a party, we have a very enormous task ahead of us to try as much as possible to reactivate the party, build the party, so that united we can continue to win and win and win. But I can tell you, now that we have victory, I don't see anything that will take APC out of government in those days again. Because if you watch how people lose elections, you discover that disunity is one of those things that make people to lose elections. And we have also identified those reasons why you have disunity. Because there are some party people who, what they do is to go from one leader to the other to lie so that they can have opportunity to disorganize the place and take precedence over everybody. All those will not allow.
Oga Tenebe come also recognize Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, senator where they represent Edo North Senatorial District as the #1 leader of the APC for Edo North and the whole state, and come yarn the party members to use the get-together to take endorse Senator Oshiomhole for second term for the next election. Tenebe come also warn people where they cause trouble for the party, say make them stop and leave him and Comrade Oshiomhole alone. On top election matters, Oga Tenebe come talk say
the #1 leader of this party in Edo State is Comrade Adams Oshiomhole. And the #1 leader of this party in Edo North is Comrade Adams Oshiomhole. And Comrade Adams Oshiomhole is the senator representing Edo North Senatorial District. And this party that I'm doing today, I also want to use the opportunity because we have 4 council NGA chairmen that are gathered here. I want us to use this opportunity to endorse him for second term in the election that is coming. That is the reason why I took time to try to find out if we form a quorum. Because anybody that is in a position where he is, it is not in my best interest to fight for that person to be out of that position. Because we believe that all the people that are leading us well. We believe that what they are doing it well. That is the confidence reposed in them, reason why we voted for them in the first place. And those things that made us to vote for them are still there, and they are building on them. So there are no cracks on the wall. All the people who think that they can cause problems, I want to use the opportunity today to advise them that they should look for other things to do. Comrade Adams Oshiomhole is my father. I respect him, I adore him, and I will continue to respect him. It may interest all of you to also know, and I want to reveal it today, that the governor of the state, my resilience, my fight, my doggedness, made it possible for him to be governor. And again, there is no other thing that brought me and him together. When he came to me and he said he wanted to be governor, he wanted to offer me money. I said, no, I only want to make one request from you. And he said, what is that request? Mention it in his door. I said, the person that will be governor of the state that will take over from Obaseki must be somebody who will respect Ali Oshiomhole. And the only way I can support you is immediately after this primary, you go and meet him. I don't even want to follow both of you. I'm very convinced that all of you saw it in the campaign. That immediately after the election, after the primaries, nobody saw me. It was him and him. And even the appointments they are making, I don't care because our leader is here. He will protect me. Anything that has to be done. So anybody who wants to cause problems, that person should look for another place where he's going to cause problems. Please, I'm apologizing. I'm begging that they should leave us alone. I've always said something. I said we don't want problems, but if you bring problems, there is no problem. The last warning is what I'm giving those people, and I know them, and they know themselves. I'm sure even if they are not here, they will hear. Please, they should leave myself and Comrade Adams Oshiomhole alone, because we don't want problems. If they bring problems, there is no problem.
They will learn you
I
things.
want to wish all of you happy Christmas and New Year in advance. We will continue to march on. Some days ago, I granted an interview where I said that even though Edo North has about 2.something million registered voters, but there has never been a time where both parties, both in presidential and governorship election, has ever turned out vote of more than 600,000 votes in the state. That we have discovered a trick, haven't taken over government. We have discovered a trick that can make us turn out a lot of votes. And I also said that the party, the state working committee, will come out very soon to start doing tour of the country, because we discovered that most of the registered voters are not even resident in Edo State. So the party has taken it as a responsibility to go around the entire country, speak to the conscience of these registered voters in Edo, who are our brothers and sisters, our parents, that are not coming home to vote, so that we appeal to them that the next elections that are coming, they should be coming home to vote. The reason is because by 2027, we want to ensure that we give the President of the Federal Republic up to 1.9 to 2 million votes in Edo for the first time. And it will be under my watch, and it will happen. And all our elected officers that are here will ensure that all the votes, at least Ahmed Waziri will be defeating his opponent in Esako Central with about 20,000 votes all over the state. Even our comrade Senator Adams Oshiomhole in the second term, not just about 150,000 votes. I am very convinced that this time around we'll be talking about 500 and something thousand votes in the next election. So all the party members, party faithfuls, I am calling on all of you to join hands together so that we can take this party to a level that we actually wanted. And that level will get there. And at the end of the day, all the dividends of democracy will start coming to us gradually. By the grace of God, we will succeed. Happy Christmas.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Edo North Senatorial District, Ekata Ojesole, TMC TV News.